Thanks to its competitive quality, barely their feel, and 10 hours of battery life, the Shokz OpenRun Pro Bone-Conduction headphones are the best choice for athletes. Before switching from my AirPods Pro to the Shokz AirFX for running, I had no faith in Bone-Conduction headphones. Even though the audio quality was subpar in comparison to the top sport headphones worn inside or over your ears, the Snug Fit and open-air listening experience complemented my training needs. The company's first introduction following its redesign is the $179 Shokz OpenRun Pro, an upgrade from the Shokz AirPX. Stronger bass, a better microphone, bigger buttons, and a longer battery life are all promised in the Pro Edition. So, as opposed to any of the finest wireless earbuds or best wireless headphones, should you get these Bone-Conduction headphones? To learn more, watch our Shokz OpenRun Pro review. OpenRun Pro shares a lot of similarities with regular OpenRuns in terms of appearance. If my OpenRun headset wasn't blue, it would be challenging for me to tell them apart at a look. Despite eliminating the after, the OpenRun Pro wears the new Shokz branding. Over-ear hooks with a thin yoke connecting them to each other are equipped with 2 vibration drivers. The band is made to wrap around your head and nearly reach your neck. That implies for me to wear Shokz OpenRun Pro below my hair or ponytail. I couldn't alter the size of the yoke to fit my head as snugly as I'd like, but I'd swap that for a barely there feeling any day. Nearly 1 ounce is the weight of the OpenRun Pro. Long after my workout was through, I would occasionally forget I was still wearing them. No matter how I moved, I was unable to remove the OpenRun Pro. I stopped using the AirPods Pro while jogging because they were dropping out of my ears at the track. The OpenRun Pro remains stationary during my runs, just like I had observed with the ordinary OpenRun headphones. The Shokz OpenRun Pro headphones are suitable for the majority of workouts, and can withstand light rain, because they are IP55 sweatproof. Swimming is not covered by the rating, although after Shokz X Trainer's successor, Shokz Open Swim, offers a completely waterproof option. Similar to the Shokz OpenRun regular model, the Shokz OpenRun Pro has physical buttons for control. The volume rocker, which incorporates the power button, is on the underside of the rectangular part behind the right ear hook, and the single multifunction button is located on the left driver housing facing out. The major issue I had with the usage of the OpenRun was fixed by the nearly twice as large rocker on the OpenRun Pro. A single tap on the MF button initiates stop or play, while a double tap advances to the next track. For questions or more controls, pressing and holding the MF button activates a voice assistant, either Siri or Google Assistant, depending on the associated smartphone. I had no issue rousing Siri during my workout to reply to an SMS. Some headphones with more features can use your voice assistant to notify you of notifications, but I don't like that, especially while I'm running and jamming to the beats on my playlist. The sound quality of wireless Bone-Conduction headphones isn't as good as most wireless headphones. When music isn't delivered to your ears directly, there is a certain amount of definition lost in comparison to even the best inexpensive earbuds. But among the Bone-Conduction headphones I've tested, the OpenRun Pro come the closest to providing all-encompassing sound. Rihanna's We Found Love sounded sensual, yet still energetic, while Shokz OpenRun Pro excelled with electronic synth riffs, keeping precision and refinement throughout Van Halen's Jump. The vocals aren't as prominent as I prefer, but the clever lines of Can't Hold Us by Macklemore and Ryan Lewis stood up to the soaring piano line. Let's now discuss bass. I anticipated a stronger thump because Shokz claims that the OpenRun Pro got 2 bass boosters in comparison to the original OpenRun headphones. The change is actually very subtle. Although the OpenRun Pro can't match the complexity of the music when played through over-ear headphones, I only noticed deeper levels in genuine bass-heavy tunes like Frank Ocean's Pyramids. However, I'm cautious to accurately contrast over-ear or in-ear headphones with Bone-Conduction headphones. Distinct situations demand for different use cases, with Bone-Conduction catering primarily to people who want to hear what is going on around them. When compared to Bone-Conduction, the best noise-canceling earphones let all of the sounds in. I don't want that at the gym, but being able to hear people in cars when I'm running outside is essential for my safety. Being a woman in a bustling metropolis encourages me to always be aware of my surroundings, even when walking my dog. The basic OpenRun Pro headphones had poor call quality, a pronounced echo, and a propensity to pick up way too many background noises. Shokz responded by giving OpenRun Pro a dual noise-canceling microphone. The receiver could always determine when I wasn't speaking through my smartphone's microphone, even during the unintended call testing I conducted. While some people heard a faint echo or a loud bystander's voice while out walking, the OpenRun Pro received positive reviews for call quality in general. The battery life of the OpenRun Pro is another noteworthy improvement over the OpenRun. With a 10-hour rating as opposed to an 8-hour rating, the OpenRun Pro provides additional listening time between charges. Even better, while the headphones are not in use, the battery can last up to 10 days. The OpenRun Pro I tried required juice after a week of use, with a few of workouts lasting approximately an hour, with the built-in assistant informing me of the battery level each time I turned the headphones on. Again, I often forgot I was wearing the OpenRun Pro, so I wished the headphones would turn off automatically when I wasn't listening to music for a while. Fortunately, a 5-minute rapid charge allowed me almost 1.5 hours of listening time in case, as I was getting ready to exercise, I discovered OpenRun Pro was dead. The case offers protection, but unlike cases for AirPods, Powerbeats, or Galaxy Buds, it does not include built-in charging. Distinct headphone appearances have different functions, and the Shokz OpenRun Pro's function is significant enough to warrant inclusion in my rotation of audio equipment. For outdoor runs, I prefer the normal OpenRun model, but the OpenRun Pro's enhancements to call quality and battery life make it a stronger advocate for bone conduction technology. Bone conduction is evolving into a viable substitute for headphones that blast sound straight into your ears, whether for ear health or spatial awareness. Bone conduction is the only option when hearing what's going on around me is crucial. Or, I suppose, wear no headphones at all, but what fun is that? Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.